dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nacine. I'm 37. I do keto vlogs, keto hauls, meal preps, recipes, reviews, all things keto. I have 4 beautiful kids, a fluffy husky, always covered in his hair, 2 kitties, and I really appreciate and love the clickies. Seriously, thank you so much. It really helps my channel grow. It helps me get out into the YouTube universe, gets my channel recognized, and I love meeting new people in the comment section. Today is Wednesday. It is a cold, rainy day, and that's completely fine with me. It was warmer this morning than what it is now, which is really weird. It was 61 when I left the house, and it is 46 at 11:30 a.m. So definitely much cooler than normal. So what's this? It's not 310, that's for damn sure. This is Keto Chow. Because I just made up a few days worth of Keto Chow. I only have my Keto Chow blender bottle, and then I have this. So I'm like, it's just a cup, right? So I use that. This is salted caramel. Very excited because I love the salted caramel. So we'll go ahead and open it up. Tried to run away from me. Amazing. So good. I love the feeling of the fullness that I have for the rest of the day, and I'm not starving when I'm on my way home from work, and when I get home, when I have the Keto Chow, I do notice that. It's nice. So that is the first thing that I am eating or drinking today. Breakfast, I guess, if you want to call it breakfast. I finished my coffee before I even got to work today, which was amazing. I had the Caramel Apple Bones Coffee Company coffee, hot. I had a nice hot cup of that, which was amazing. And all I do is put a little bit of almond milk in it, and just like, I barely even did a teaspoon of pure, I think, today. And then I used up the rest of the strawberry cheesecake from Bones. That was my cold brew. I used the rest of that up, and the same thing, I just prepare it the same way. I don't even use the Jordan skinny syrups right now. I'm just really enjoying the flavor of the coffee is coming out very strong in Bones coffee. If it's any other coffee, then hell yeah, I'm using a skinny syrup. I'm flavoring that up because I like my coffee to taste like things. I don't necessarily enjoy just the plain taste of coffee. So, but Bones coffee is so flavored, and it's not sweetened or anything like that, but it tastes amazing. And I noticed with the cold brews, that flavor comes out more than if you make it hot. So I can definitely taste the strawberry in the strawberry cheesecake, whereas when I make it hot, I don't necessarily taste it. So I'm interested to try all of them as a cold brew. I'm not sure what my next cold brew will be, but that's what it was. So I'm gonna get off here. I'm going to call my boyfriend and enjoy my Keto Chow. See you guys after work. Hey guys, I'm home. I did stay after work for about 30 minutes because I had some stuff that I had to take care of, so that was nice. At least I'll have 30 minutes of overtime. Just home before Reese and Peyton still, so just kind of picking up a little bit. I think I'm making burger bowls tonight, or is it stuffed peppers? Can't be sure. I cannot remember. Anyways, I had a couple people reach out to me via email for some keto help, and I just wanted everybody to know it's completely fine if you want to email me. You have any sort of questions if you're new to keto. I may not be a keto expert, but I've at least lost 78 pounds on it. So if you do have any questions, please feel free to ask. I'll do the best I can to answer it or look up the information for you. I really enjoy talking to you guys and conversing with you guys in emails and comments and what have you. So, I'm getting hungry. It's 4 o'clock. I need to figure out if I'm making the burger bowls or the stuffed peppers, and I will update you soon. It's library time. Reese is super impatient. Somebody has checked out one of those, what is it, in the Flames books?
Flames of Fire.
Flames of Fire books, volume 5. Is it 4 or 5? 5. 5. And they haven't returned it yet, and he's very annoyed. And we've been waiting, and so he's like, Mom, can we please just go back to the library? So instead of cooking dinner, that's where we're going. We're going to the library. So we just left the library, and I never got to finish reading this the last time I got it, so I decided to get it. And Reese and Peyton got a nice collection of books. Not the book Reese wanted, but they got some Captain Underpants and Dogman, and Tiffany got a book that she really wanted to. Who's the author of that book? Raina Tella something? It's called Drama.
I've seen all the books by her, except for Guts and this one.
So everybody's happy, and we need to stop at the store to get some ingredients for the burger bowls anyways. So my first step is I got my oven set to 400. I have some onion and mushrooms and some Kerrygold butter. You could use avocado oil, olive oil, whatever you want. I prefer to use butter and avocado oil. So I just have some Kerrygold in here, and I'm just sauteing these mushrooms and onions in there. I'm cooking up this pack of thick bacon on a sheet of parchment paper. I was gonna use my liner, but I don't know. Not sure how I feel about cooking like greasy things on it, but I am gonna cook the burgers on it, so we'll see. So I'm going to then get my meat mixture going and form them into cups, and I'll show you when they are into cups and ready to go. Alright, so I just flipped these upside down. I forgot to show you what they looked like before they came out, but I just flipped them upside down to let the grease that was puddled inside drain out. So I'll flip one over so you can see they are bowl shaped. Probably maybe not the best bowls, but I'm going to fill them with, this is onion and mushroom. This is bacon. I just threw the tomatoes in there too to keep it out of the way. And I'm gonna fill it with cheese and that, and then I'll show you it plated up. And I also made us a little side salad with tomatoes. There was crumbs of Parmesan crisp left and cucumber. All right, this is Peyton's plate. So he's got his little salad. He doesn't really like anything, so he has one little lonely cucumber. And he has bacon, a little bit of onion, cheese, and mayo. Go ahead. Tell me what you think. Well, maybe you just like kind of... Alright guys, here it is. So yeah, I have, my salad is kind of taking up my plate, but look at this. Look at that thing. Bacon, mushroom, onion, mustard, ketchup, mayo, some cheese, and a little bit of tomato, and a beautiful salad. I'm gonna call this one, guys. I'm gonna go sit down, eat, drink my Soleil water. What do you think? Good? Mm-hmm. This is Corey's. He just made his own. I don't know what's going on over here. Yeah, you're wishing. Close out the vlog, Linky. Close it out.